How to buy DeepSeek Coin. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So first thing first that you're going to do, open your Solana wallet. It doesn't really matter what type of Solana wallet. For me, I have the Phantom wallet. So after this, you're going to click on trade. You're going to have to select what cryptocurrency you're going to pay over here on the top section, the you pay. And over here for the you receive, simply select this so we could change it. Now we have a search bar over here on the top section, so simply search here DeepSeek. There we go, DeepSeek. And you should be able to see here verified or unverified tokens. You have DeepSeek tokens over here. So simply select any of this and simply enter how much you want to pay. And for example, let's say 5, something like that. But of course, you need to have money inside of your wallet. And as you can see here, you will be able to see how much of DeepSeek you will be able to receive. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.